Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on a relaxing journey into the soothing world of beach decor. In this video, we will guide you through the process of transforming your living space into coastal heavens where the sun, sand, and sea come to life. Coastal Bliss Beach decor is all about capturing the tranquility and beauty of coastal living. We will show you how to infuse your space with the pieces and serenity of the beach. Color palette. Dive into the coastal color palette that mirrors the ocean and sky. We will discuss the soothing hues of blue, sandy neutrals, and sun kissed shades that define beach inspired designs. Natural elements. Learn how to incorporate natural elements like driftwoods, seashells, and seagrass into your decor. We will help you to create a beachy atmosphere that is both refreshing and inviting. Room by room, from the living room to the bedroom, we will provide your room specific beach decor ideas that will transport you to a coastal paradise within your home. Nautical touch. Explore nautical decor elements that add a maritime charm to your space. From ship wheels to row basins, we have got tips on how to achieve that beachside feels. Relaxing retreat. Your beach inspired home should be retreated for relaxation. Discover how to create a calming and rejuvenating atmosphere that lets you unwind by the imaginary shore. Join us on this peaceful journey as we explore the world of beach decor and help you create a space that feels like a coastal gateway year round. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring decor ideas.